Hi friends, is your SD card is not detected in Windows 10 PC? Okay, actually recently I also faced the same situation and I returned the two SD card. Means I bought new two SD cards and I find these are not working properly. Means I returned to the shopkeepers. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to be first check your means if one USB plug-in means if you plug in with one USB it's not working, try to do with the other USB option, other USB cards in your PC. Okay, means if one is not working, try it with other. Okay, then after what you have to be do, you have to be open your Explorer. Okay, then after goes to the file menu. Okay, then go to the change and folder and search options. Okay, and then after here you have to click on the view and then you have to be uncheck this option, hide empty drivers. Okay, as you seen here, when I done this job my SD card is coming. Okay, so this one is the first method and it's a working for me. Okay, but if still it's you have the problem to access your SD card, so what you have to be do, I am going to show you. Okay, this one is the best fix, it is a working. Okay, but I'm just going to show you other methods. If it's still not working, you have to right click on the control start menu, then after choose the control panel. Okay, in control panel you have to be search for troubleshoot. You have to write down trouble. Okay, then after you have to go in the troubleshooting option. Okay, in troubleshooting option what you have to do, you have to click on the configure a device. Okay, as you seen here hardware and devices is coming, you have to click on next. Now it's try to detect the problems. And apart from that you have to be also update your drivers. Means you have to be, if you must be plug in your USB card in your PC, or you have means update with the Windows update, you have to, as you seen here, I have to apply my fix to fix my PC. So what you have to do, you have to just restart your PC, so Windows will be try to fix your PC, fix your problem for any hardware changes. Okay, and other thing, you can also download the drivers from the Realtek website. Okay, go to this link, means either realtek.com, okay, or find in the video description, and you have to download this driver, card reader driver for, you can download it from here. Okay, so with these three methods you are able to fix your card reader problem in your Windows 10 PC. Okay, but for me this one is working, I change. And other thing you can also try, if it's still not working, you have to be right click on the your start menu, then after go disk management option. Okay, okay, if still as you seen here, now in my it's a off. Okay, so if I make this one, change this to file configure, and if I check this one, so it will be also removed from here. Okay, so it will be also removed from here. Okay, as you seen here now, so what you have to do, you have to just right click on this particular USB removable drive. Okay, then click on the change drive icon, change. What I did, you have to be right click here. Okay, select the change driver letters and paths. Okay, now you have to change the drive letter if it's not working. Okay, you have to be click any letter that you want to take. Okay, and assign the one letter to your drive letter. Okay, you have to press the yes to continue. Okay, so these three or four works that you have to be do to re-enable. Okay, first one is working, means if you enable this one, it's most of the time it's working. Okay, but now you have also other solution to apply that one. Okay, so hope you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.